Hello. I'm so happy you're here. It's a pleasure to help you on your journey to learn English. I'm the daughter of an English father and a Korean mother. I speak almost everything in the present simple, and I hope you understand me. Let's start. Today, I want to talk about Doramas, or Korean dramas. These shows are not just entertainment. They are stories full of emotions, lessons, and beautiful moments. If you want to improve your English and enjoy something special, Doramas are a great choice. What makes Doramas special? Doramas are different from many shows you see today. They do not use bad words or shocking scenes to get attention. Instead, they tell stories with feelings. A smile, a small touch, or a kind word can mean a lot in a dorama. Even the villains are interesting. At first, they seem bad, but as the story goes on, they change. They learn from their mistakes and try to become better. This shows that people are not 100% good or bad. Everyone has a chance to grow and improve. Why do modern shows feel different? Many modern shows use expensive products, loud drama, or big surprises. They show perfect houses, fancy cars, and the best clothes. They tell us that we need these things to feel happy. Doramas show a different idea. They teach that happiness comes from simple things. A meal with family, a walk in the park, or a moment of honesty brings real joy. The message is clear: relationships matter more than material things. In modern shows, characters often work alone. They solve problems without help. But in Doramas, people work together. They support each other and show that community and love are important. What makes Doramas magical? Doramas have a special kind of magic. They bring hope and make you believe in love, kindness, and forgiveness. For example, in Doramas, love grows slowly. It starts with small moments, not big dramatic actions. Villains often feel regret and change their ways. These stories remind us that everyone can have a second chance. Why should you watch Doramas? If you learn English, Doramas are a fun way to practice. You can watch them with English subtitles and listen to new words. At the same time, you enjoy a story that touches your heart. I think Doramas also help us think about life. They remind us to enjoy small moments, forgive others, and focus on what really matters. I invite you to try one. Choose a dorama that looks interesting to you. Start with something light and fun. But I warn you, Doramas are very addictive. Thank you for listening. It is a pleasure to talk with you today. If you like this, please subscribe, and let's keep in touch. I want to hear about your favorite Doramas and your English journey. Take care, and see you next time.